Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. It's your first time here, I'm Tony, this is Teddy. If you're regular to the channel you'll see Teddy's had a hairdo, bit of a haircut, didn't you? And you can see another dog over there, that's why he's grumbling a bit. Anyway, over the allotment, got some jobs to do today. First of all, a bit of a summer harvest. And then I've got some chores, got some weeding to do, which I've let get out of hand a little bit, which I won't subject you to, but I'll show you the weeding I've got to do, I won't make you watch me do it. And some planting, succession planting. Got some beans and peas, just succession plant, aiming for a bit of an autumn harvest without tripping over with potatoes. And gonna harvest some potatoes too. Okay, so weeding, that's just gone crazy. That's where my onions came out of. Gone nuts. Got parsnips to plant in that. They're going in probably tomorrow. And I've got some bush beans to go in there. But first things first, need to weed that. Like I say, I'm not going to make you watch me do that. So first thing I'm harvesting today is some salad. Now these salad plants I have been growing underneath these plastic domes, which have worked quite well. I'll give you a close look in a second. I will link these in the description. They come with some little pegs and they work fairly well, but just let me show you. As you can see, this plant here, something's got into it, and this one, you can see this one's fairly good. However, I did open it up and pull a slug out. See, slugs have still got to it. However, I can harvest that now. Next banger on the list is runner beans. As you can see, the beans are in full flower. We have a lot more runner beans this year, and the more you pick them, the more they grow. Now, I have been having issues this year with slugs and snails, and even some of these beans have been getting attacked. So the slugs and snails are making their way up there. So I'm going to harvest these. A handful of them at least. I mean, look at that. That's a good one. However, look at that. That's just been destroyed by probably slugs. Next bang on the list then today, tomatoes. Now I could literally at the moment eat tomatoes with every meal. Got a lot of them and more are getting ripe each day. Next bang on the list then today is courgette. I've had loads of courgettes for these two plants. Now Nick the gardener, if you're watching, will link his channel in the description. Did love, hate, grow along. I did courgettes. This one on the left is hate, the one on the right is love. I shall bring you in a bit closer and just show you. Okay, so this plant is love. As you can see, tomato plant's fallen over and just got engulfed. But the size of that courgette there. So I'll be harvesting that today. I'll be having that roasted, lovely. Now over to the hate plant. Look at the size of that. And there's my hand. Now that courgette, I'm leaving that on. I'm going to let that get as big as it can get, and I'm going to use that for saving seed next year. Now generally I've been harvesting my courgettes quite small, maybe this kind of size, or just a little bit bigger, and just roasting them whole. Next thing I'll be harvesting then is potatoes. I've got lots and lots of potatoes to harvest, so I'm going to be doing a container growing potato harvest video quite soon. So let me just show you how many containers of potatoes I've got. I'm just going to harvest one today. It's that bed of potatoes. They're a variety called Javelin. So as you can see, lots and lots of potatoes to harvest. I will be doing a separate video when I come to harvest all of those. But today I'm just going to harvest one container just to add to that. I want some spuds for dinner tonight. I've got no idea what variety of spuds were in this container, because I've done the usual thing of planting stuff and not marking it. But hey-o. Okay, so yeah, King Edward. And that container is not brilliant. A handful of small spuds. But hey-o, that's okay. Spuds are spuds. I like these roasted, boiled till they're soft. Bit of butter on them. They're lovely. Okay, so that's all I'm harvesting for today. So I'm going to let you go now. Got over my chores of weeding and succession planting those beans and peas. So if you enjoyed that video, it's a big thumbs up. If you want to see more gardening videos and beekeeping, hit subscribe. I will put the video where I harvested a load of container grown potatoes up here on the screen if you want to see that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.